Hello. Welcome to my channel. Hope you are having a great day.
Today's video is all about a token earning platform. To earn these tokens, you would need to run nodes on your Windows, macOS or Linux machines. Learn how this works and earns you passive income. As always, you'll find the necessary links in the video description. For a more comprehensive exploration of this topic, be sure to bookmark my website, passiveincaps.com. So, let's get started. Let me introduce you to Koii. Koii gets your computer to work for you and earn Koii tokens. Koii already has over 45,000 network nodes running. More than 2 million Koii tokens have been staked. Koii node runners have earned more than 34 million Koii tokens. Nodes are the backbone of the Koii network. Koii is trying to build a global, decentralized network that will rival the current monopolies on computing power. By downloading and installing the Koii node, your computer can also be a part of the global network that aims to revolutionize and democratize the world, as a task node that run Web3 applications. It is essentially a compute marketplace. What that means is that companies work with Koii for their compute requirements and Koii outsources that requirement to users like you. Koii uses a fraction of your computer power to do these tasks and pays you in return. As an early adopter, the amount of Koii tokens you will get will be much higher. They are also incentivizing running a node by giving extra rewards via Koii leaderboard. All you need to do to get going is to click the link in the description, download the software, and start running it. I will walk you through the process in this video and also provide links to detailed tutorials that are available. Here is a node that I run. As you can see, I have multiple tasks running and earning tokens passively. I have even staked a lot of the tokens that I have earned to increase my earning potential. You should know that Koii is currently in the testnet phase. The main net of Koii is due to arrive by the second quarter of this year. You will see this mentioned in the settings section of the application. So, it would be wise to earn these Koii tokens and cash out when they go live on the exchange. So, are you excited to get going? Let me now walk you through the steps. First, you would need to click on the link in the description and you would arrive at this page. Click on the Download Now option to begin downloading the application. If you use a MacBook or Linux computer, you may need to click on Click here for more options to get to additional download options. This will enable you to download the application for other operating systems like Mac and Linux. Once you have downloaded the application, proceed to install it. Once you have installed it and launch it, you will come across a screen like this. After the node loads for the first time, it will look like this. To secure your node, you need to create a 6-digit PIN. If you forget this PIN, you can access your node again by importing the key via its secret phrase. After you create a secure 6-digit PIN, write it down in a secure location and confirm the access PIN. Accept the terms of service and click Login. Once your PIN is secured, you will need to create an account. Name your account. This name can always be changed later in settings, so don't worry too much about it. Click Create a new account. Now it is time to fund your account with a few tokens so you can participate in the task network and earn just for lending your compute power. I recommend getting a few free tokens to get started. Free tokens are available for a limited time only, so hurry. You can get free tokens by clicking on Add Funds. Click on Get My Free Tokens. In the webpage that opens, click on Get Some Koii. Complete the easy tasks on the next screen to get some free Koii. Click on I'm done once you have completed the tasks. To run some tasks, click on the Add Task option on the top. You will see tasks here that you can run. I am already running all the tasks available, so this is empty for me. Some tasks will require configuring task settings, which includes things like a Spherin API token so your node can store files on IPFS, or an Ethereum key to bridge data between chains. If a task requires additional settings, the gear icon in the settings column will turn orange to let you know you need to configure those. There are detailed tutorials to get you started on how you can get going with Koii. I will leave the link in the video description. I hope you are ready to get started now and join me in this wonderful earning journey. Ensure you have the latest version of the app installed and the tasks are running. I also recommend reinvesting the earnings and staking them for profitable tasks. You should know that running a Koii node and earning Koii tokens will also reward your Uprock wallet through When tokens. If you want to know about Uprock, I do have a video about it as well. I will put a link for it in the video description. So, that is it. That was Koii. I personally feel that Koii holds a lot of potential. The feeling is echoed by several others I know. I am confident that the early adopters of Koii will get to benefit from the incentivized earning opportunity that is being provided for a limited time. So, don't wait up and get going. Install Koii from the link in the video description. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Remember to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more passive income videos and guides. Click the notification icon to be informed every time I post a new video. You can also bookmark my website, the link for which is provided in the video description. See you in the next one soon.